We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up AUD JPY. We are on the 12-month time frame. Price action last candle to right hand side is a small bullish green doji cross. Market's consolidating with that second last candle in the market. We do have price action overall, lower lows, price action overall, higher highs, followed up with the midpoint. Also adding second level lows, third level lows, and fourth level lows. Current price is sitting at 90.247. So if price work its way up and tag that resistance line at 108.725 before tagging that midpoint within that area, nearing the numbers of 98.457. If price action drop down, it can tag that support line in white at 85.170 before tagging the midpoint at 75.506. So if price action push up further, let's see where it's coming from. So we can see that the first candle market shot off the high. Market came down with a touch at the bottom, red and green. So we do have that overall pattern that's forming. So we have overall first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed, broke out with the second last candle. Price action is a retest, and we're going to see if it's going to push up further. If so, price action coming from a triple bottom and a retest. If price pushes down, when the market did break that area and went into that area, it identified the break and retest, which would be an overall first, second, third, fourth retest, one retest, and market could come down from a triple top and a retest or a quadruple top. If price decides to consolidate, it can consolidate within this area, and we'll see that market bounce up and down until the patterns form for the breakout to the high, the low, or it'll just continue to consolidate. Walking our way down to the 6-month time frame. So price action 6-month time frame is reading as a bullish green doji, second last candle huge doji, third to last candle huge doji. So price within that third to last candle of that consolidation. Within that consolidation, price is identifying a break and retest with the third to last candle. So let's talk about it. Price action is coming from the low. So what's happening at the low? We did receive a pattern. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth. Third last candle broke, second last candle is a retest. Price action is trying to push and break out that area, but it's still within this third to last candle. So that marks an overall consolidation with the last three candles. So it look like this: first, second, third, fourth, retest, market push and breaks out. Or if it's denied, we'll talk about that on the lower time frame, which will be a three month. If the market is denied at this area, then we'll have to ask ourselves, where's it coming from? Pull back, look over to the left hand side. We have a pattern, multiple pushes to that high, which is identified as the first, second, third, fourth, double top, retest, get the engulfment towards the price second, third, fourth, the last candle of the market, which would be like the midpoint, which it did break. The market's coming down from that double top and retest. Working our way to the monthly time frame, price action on the monthly time frame is reading as a bullish green doji. So that's still a retest, trying to come off that bottom of that second last candle spike down, but it's just consolidating within that second last candle area. So if you ask yourself where price coming from, it came from the first, second, third, fourth, retest one, breakout, came back to retest overall. Let's see, it's going to push up. If not, market price is going back down. So that means this area will be identified as a retest to that second last candle, and we'll be seeing we can be seeing price break down that support, but so for right now, price is in that area of consolidation. Working our way to the weekly time frame, price action on the weekly time frame is reading as a bullish green doji, huge doji push up to the top. Price second is spiking something in that area. Price second and third to last candle spiking the same area. I said third. Price second, third, fourth, fifth to last candle spiking that area. Fifth to last candle was a breakdown. Second and price came back to retest twice. So in total, we may see a triple top in that area of that consolidation or a double top. We'll see as we walk down the time frame. But so far, price second, third, fourth, the last candle is sitting within that fifth to last candle area of that consolidation. So if this market is respected from that area, from that spike down from the fifth to last candle in the market, then that means the market's coming from what? We did identify that W. Market broke, came back to retest. We're looking for the engulfment. Last 5 candles in the market, see if it pushes up, down, or sideways. So far we do know we are in that consolidation with some up and down. So we are seeing if we can identify that pattern for the breakout. Working our way to the daily time frame. So price action daily time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. It's having a hard time breaking that third to last candle. So we want to see price break above that third to last candle with the body to close out. If not, that market could be denied and drop back down. So we will break down the area as the low, the mid, the high. Market did identify that double bottom, first, second, third, fourth, came back to retest with another double bottom for that first, second, third, fourth, broke out the midpoint. So we have a double bottom, double retest overall, quadruple bottom, market identifying the break of that midpoint. So we are going to look down the time frame to see what's happening. So let's make this area a lot tighter, creating the high of that area, creating the low of that area, also creating the midpoint. And we can see that we have that break. So let's follow up to see what the market is doing. But remember, overall, we're still looking for price to engulf that third to last candle, which would be at top of that resistance for that break and retest we are primarily looking for. But take it to level, we can see that price action is a bearish red candle, doji style, second last candle, doji style as well. We did receive the break. So if that market pushes up from this area here, it can come back down to retest from that support line unless it's respected. So we're looking to see if price is going to break above the third to last candle, or we were looking for price to break above that third to last candle. So we don't know how far price can drop down or consolidate sideways before it breaks up, or it just continues to consolidate or break down through that support. But if it pushes up from that area, we'll see that first, second, third, fourth retest, market push up out of that third to last candle. And if it's denied, and that's before we talk about how it looks with denied, let's add the zone around that area so we can see how it exactly looked with the zone. So with the zone is identifying that the market identified that first, second, third, fourth, broke through the top of the zone, broke through the zone, retest the zone. Is it going to push up? Is it going to go back into the zone? Or is it just going to consolidate at the high? But still looking for the body to break out above the third to last candle body. So now we headed down to the 3-hour time frame. Price action, bearish red doji, second last candle doji, third to last candle spike up to the high, second last candle is identifying a retest from the third to last candle. So that market identifying the market spiked up, came back to retest, and just pushed up a little bit, but consolidated sideways. So more like pushed up, retest, consolidated sideways. Headed down to the 2. Starting to receive price second, third, fourth, all consolidation, all side by side, all dojis, looking for the engulfment pattern. Same as well on the 1-hour time frame. But then we have some major spike downs with the fourth to last candle. So this candle can be that candle that pushed this market up for that incline. And you'll see that first, our market's identified for the break and retest, which will identify as a first, second, third, and market pushes up. Price and third to last candle is on the same level at that midpoint. If it breaks through, I mean, it's headed back down to the zone. If it don't, that means it's working its way up further, but you're still looking for the engulfment to that previous side. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones. Please study and review. Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest, images. Okay, guys, AUD, JPY.